Yeah, he said be right back. That was an hour ago. We have a film crew here. I don't know where DH Williams is. He'll show back up. Listen, it's basically my recipe anyway, so let's just run with it. We'll shoot it out. If he shows back up, great. If not, whatever. Hey everyone. Welcome to DH Williams Mixology Moments. Negroni week is approaching upon us very fastly, and DH Williams wanted to do a variation of Negroni like pretty much everybody else is going to be doing here probably in the next week or so. So let's get started by talking a little bit about Negroni. It was invented in 1919. Florence, Italy, by Count Negroni, asked his bartender friend to get his Americano, his favorite drink, a little bit more on the spirit-forward end. He wanted to get his mind right, let's not lie. So they took out the soda water, threw in some gin, took out the lemon twist, and threw an orange twist in. Hence the Negroni was born. Or was it really? Did they maybe rip that off from somebody? A lot of this recipes for cocktails is very murky. There's a lot of dark cloud to it. It was probably invented by a man named Larry at a Pittsburgh bar a long, long time ago. Let's be realistic, that's probably what happened. But anyway, we are going to do a Negroni today, our own variation. So let's get started. First off, we are doing, with our gin, Bulldog Gin. Bulldog Gin has a lot of great botanicals to it. Our biggest one really makes it stand out is Dragon Eye out of China. Really gives a nice softness, floral note to it. Biggest thing, this is a great gin. If you're getting somebody who's like starting off, jumping off point, it's soft, it's floral, it's not over junipery. They are going to love it. So let's sample it real quick, shall we? Holy Count Negroni. It's pink. Wow. Down boy. What we did here for our variation, we took Bulldog Gin, which has all those great botanicals I just talked about. We infused it with rosehip, red currant, raspberry, strawberry. Gave it a nice pink hue with some hibiscus. We have a great pink gin here, so we're going to do this with our Negroni. Let's taste it. I work my actual job later, so bottoms up. It's sweet. It's dry. Over ice, this would be a perfect cocktail, but like I said, I work later. Let's get this drink making going. Mixology moments, as we were calling it. One thing, we need a nice vessel. This vessel is going to be the thing that makes this drink. So let's get started. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of this beautiful pink Bulldog Gin. Dump that on in. Next thing, you need a vermouth in a, generally it's an Italian sweet vermouth. We don't want to do a French dry vermouth, so we're going to go in the middle there. We're going to do a French vermouth that is Blanco. It's going to be very floral. It's going to have some very elegant notes to it. It's really going to play off the gin that we're using and what we actually did with it with the pink. So we're just going to do 3/4 ounce of our Blanco Dolin vermouth. All right, lastly, generally use Campari or a bitter aperitivo. We're using Meletti 1870. It's more mildly bitter. It's almost like fruit punch mint bitterness. It's great. It does go a long way, so a little bit does go a long way. So we're doing 1/2 ounce of this Meletti 1870. Alright. Biggest thing I can't stress enough working in the bar industry many, many years, you want to add your ice to your glass last. For that reason is, it's going to over dilute it if not. You want to get perfect chilling and dilution. Over diluting the drink, you're going to take away from a lot of the aspects of the drink. So always add your ice to your glass last. Don't be an ass. I like that. Let's coin it. Alright, lastly, ice to the glass last. Unlike restaurant ice that's halfway melting, I got really nice ice. So we're going to be stirring this drink using a Nicanora glass. So let's stir away. Like I say, proper chilling dilution, 20-25 seconds of that. Round and round we go. The Nick and Nora hopefully knows. Coloring is going to be really great on this. We're there. So you're going to strain this guy. Beautiful color. Fragrance is nice. We need to garnish this guy. We're not doing an orange pill. We're not doing a lemon pill. We're going to go in between. Grapefruit pill. Absolutely. When you're peeling a fruit for a garnish, always do it fresh. If you're not going to do it fresh, don't do it at all. I don't even want to go into that whole spectrum of things. So, one pill. You want to get as little as pith as possible. You just want the essential oils and the skin. And we're going to clean this guy up. Make it fancy like Count Negroni. We're just going to want to accentuate the oils over the glass. Go a little around the world with it. Dump that guy in. Voila. What are we going to call this drink? Let's call it a Lar-groni. Here's to you, Larry. Probably the maker of this drink. So let's actually taste this. Ooh, the smell. You get the oils off the grapefruit right off the top. That plays really well with the bitterness of the Meletti. Ooh, I'm excited. That is fantastic. You get a lot of bitter forward up front. In the middle, you're going to get a big floral punch. And in the end, it's very clean. It's dry. That's an excellent variation on a Negroni, the Lar-groni. Not only did DH Williams miss out on this episode, but he missed out on this drink. This is fantastic. All right. Well, if you have any comments, if you want to subscribe to this, there's buttons. Just press them. You know, we're pressing things here. Really enjoyed helping out today. Substitute teacher, sorry it wasn't perfect. But hopefully next time DH can actually host his own show with his own drink. Either way, here's to Larry and here's to you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's Negroni week. Go nuts. But just don't buy an $80 apron. That looks really stupid. It's out there. You know, just don't do it. Anyway, thanks for watching and cheers.